So in every mental hospital, there are levels of what people go through.
Right.
One level is the highest level where people are so violent that they are tied in body jackets. They've been giving sedations, injections, electric shocks, therapies, counseling, everything everything is tried on them. Most of these people are never discharged. They live there for a lifetime.
Their entire life.
Now, Dr. Hew Len joined this institution. In 6 months, he released all of them.
Wow.
It shook up the medical industry.
Hmm.
He literally healed all of them, sent them home. Crazy story.
क्या किया ऐसा?
A lot of you have been asking me, what is Hope Nope Nope? So I thought, instead of me explaining it to you, recently I explained what is Hope Nope Nope to a big podcaster. Go through that experience, watch it right now, and learn what is Hope Nope Nope. Ready? Let's get on to it now. There is a guy called Dr. Hew Len. He's no more now. He's a mental hospital psychiatric doctor. He lived in Hawaii Island and he was working in a mental hospital there. He was responsible for a particular department that was violent department. So in every mental hospital, there are levels of what people go through, right? One level is the highest level where people are so violent that they are tied in body jackets. Not only because they can harm you, but because they can harm themselves. They've been giving sedations, injections, electric shocks, therapies, counseling, everything is tried on them. Most of these people are never discharged. They live there for a lifetime.
Their entire life.
Now, Dr. Hew Len joined this institution. This is a very old story. It's available. I'll give you the article for this. In 6 months, he released all of them.
Wow.
It shook up the medical industry. He literally healed all of them, sent them home. In 1 year, whoever were the mental patients, they all got cured. Crazy story.
क्या किया ऐसा?
पहले बताता हूँ क्या नहीं किया. No electric shocks after he came. No medications. No counseling, no therapy. No personal conversation also. He did all this using a beautiful process called Hope Nope Nope. Hope Nope Nope is a Hawaiian old tribal technique which they use, which is based on the science that words have energy. That when I say something to you, or even if I think about you, and if I say certain words, it has an impact on you. But I don't think this is rocket science. You and I know that, right? If you talk to me in a rude way, even though you intend well, it'll have a negative impact on me. Fair?
Right.
Can I also say, even if I don't meet you personally, but if I mentally think about you all the time and I have negative thoughts about you, it can impact you. Would you agree with that also?
How so?
Example. Have you ever had an experience where, and people must have had this experience where two friends, one of me, let's say I am angry with you, but I have not told you anything.
Right.
But mentally I'm thinking ill of you. And sometimes you feel it and you ask me, say, Mitesh, is everything okay?
पनौती लग गई बोलते हैं.
हाँ, कि सब ठीक तो है, आजकल तो बात नहीं कर रहा, क्या हुआ?
Right.
And I'm not telling you anything, but you can sense it. Why? Because when I think about you and I communicate to you mentally, it impacts you. You can feel it. So this science, based on that, there are 4 statements of Hope Nope Nope. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'll repeat. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you.
Sorry for the way I think about.
So, you've heard about Om?
Yeah.
What does the Om word mean?
What does it mean?
Doesn't matter. I'll tell you why. If you ask anybody what is the meaning of Om, doesn't matter. What matters is the chanting of Om has a vibration. The sound has a vibration. Right? Sometimes you'll hear music, just instrumental music. And if you ask what does it mean, if you're not a musician, you don't know what it means. But does it have an impact on you?
It does.
Why? Because music has vibrations. So if you play a very sad violin tone, it can depress you.
True.
Violin is a very powerful instrument.
It's just like using like the right background music in a video can change the vibe of it.
Exactly. Right? So just like that, the words I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you are the highest vibrational frequencies in the universe. It is not even necessary to understand why you're saying I'm sorry. But if you just simply think of somebody and you're constantly chanting within you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. These vibrations within me starts impacting you and starts healing you. So in our program, we use Hope Nopno as a beautiful method to heal not you, but to heal my own negative emotions from my last year, so that I can have 2025 as the best year ever.
Really interesting.
So for an example, if I felt jealous last year, I would think about you. For an example, if I'm jealous of you, I would say, Ishan, I'm really sorry that I felt jealous with you. Please forgive me for feeling jealous. Thank you for giving me the wisdom to feel happy for you.
You would say it in your mind.
In my mind, or I can say it loudly when I'm alone. I love you for teaching me how to be generous for you. Right? And I love myself. And now I'll just simply chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now it's common sense. Think about this. If a person who's been jealous of you all his life, if he consciously, loudly practiced this 1 minute every day for 30 days,
Right.
where he's saying, Ishan, I'm really sorry I have been jealous of you. Please forgive me that I have been jealous of you. Ishan, thank you for teaching me what is generosity. Ishan, I love you for being more successful than I am and teaching me how to be happy for people who are more successful than me. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. That's it.
Right.
If I did this 1 minute every day, after 30 days, what are the chances I'm going to be jealous of you?
Very low.
Zero.
Right.
You can't have such beautiful thoughts about a person and feel jealous every day. It's just not possible, right? Once I heal these emotions from my past, now it's so easy to have a better 2025. All right. How was that explanation of what is Hope Nopno? Are you now inspired to not only practice Hope Nopno, but would you like to become a Hope Nopno healer? Would you like to professionally make crores out of it? If yes, there is a link below this video. Quickly click on it and register right now, because I'm giving you access to the first lesson of Hope Nopno Healers certification course. The first lesson I'm giving you completely free as our gift to you. In that first lesson, I promise you, you will have the best experience of your life. You will release a lot of negative emotions that you didn't even realize you had subconsciously suppressed inside you for a long period of time. You'll have tears of joy and you'll sleep peacefully tonight. I promise you that. So go through that and then make a decision whether you want to be a part of a program that can make you a millionaire and also help you attract lots of blessings as a Hope Nopno healer at the end of the lesson. Okay, so quickly click on the link. I hope it is still free because it was free for a limited period of time. I don't know when you're watching this video. Find out, click on the link and register now. And hey, if you want to be part of such amazing content in the future also, please right now quickly click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon and share this video with some of your friends who want to know what is Hope Nopno. See you soon. Bye-bye.